A good hammer is essential for any DIY toolbox. Whether you're hanging a frame or doing light construction, the right one can make the job a lot easier. With so many options out there, finding the right fit can be tricky. Here are our top picks for the 10 of the best hammers for common DIY tasks, ranging from basic jobs to heavier work. First, we have the Estwing 16-ounce straight claw hammer. Designed with rip claw versatility, this hammer does a whole lot more than just drive nails. Whether you're pulling out old nails, prying apart boards, or doing light demolition, it handles the job with ease. What really makes it stand out is the longer handle, which adds balance and control while giving your swings some serious power. It's a favorite among pros, framers, roofers, carpenters, contractors, you name it. And it's also perfect for any serious DIYer looking for a dependable, no-nonsense tool. The hammer is forged from a single piece of American steel. That means no welds to break, no parts to fail, just one solid, nearly indestructible hammer that's built to last a lifetime. And let's not forget about the grip. Estwing's patented shock reduction grip cuts down vibration by 70%, which is a huge win for your hands and arms during long projects. Plus, it stays slip-free, even when the job site gets messy. All in all, the Estwing 16-ounce straight claw hammer delivers comfort, control, and serious durability every time you pick it up. If you're looking for a hammer that's built to last and gets the job done with ease, the Dewalt 16-ounce one-piece steel hammer is here for you. What really stands out is its single-piece steel construction. It means the entire hammer is forged from one continuous piece of metal, so you don't have to think about its longevity and efficiency. It also features a side nail puller that comes in super handy when you need to remove stubborn nails without extra tools or hassle. Another nice touch is the nail start system, which helps you to position and start nails with one hand. It's perfect when you're working in tight spots or balancing materials. Plus, the hammer's little design features like these show Dewalt really thought about how people use their tools in the real world. Whether you're a pro contractor or just doing some home DIY, this hammer offers a great balance of strength, function, and comfort. Up next, we have the Craftsman Fiberglass hammer. This is a dependable fiberglass hammer that handles everyday DIY tasks with ease. The most unique thing about this hammer is its durability, especially in the spots that typically take the most abuse. It's got built-in overstrike protection in the area where fiberglass handles usually crack or wear down first, so you can count on it lasting longer, even with regular use. Weighing in at just 1.7 pounds and measuring about 12.8 inches in length, this hammer is light enough for comfortable use in jobs where you need good power. And if we talk about the overmold grip, it helps improve your hold during use and makes it easier to keep control and reduce hand fatigue. With dimensions that make it easy to handle, and the kind of thoughtful design Craftsman is known for, this fiberglass hammer is a handy tool to have around. If you're looking for a hammer that's comfortable, tough, and dependable, this one definitely fits the bill. And then we have the Toughbuilt Shock Stop. This is a steel rip hammer with milled face and solid build, suits frequent use and heavier tasks. It's packed with features designed to make every strike more comfortable and effective. The standout feature here is the innovative shock stop technology, which significantly reduces recoil and absorbs vibrations. This helps to cut down on hand fatigue, so you can work longer without feeling the strain. The hammer's head is precision forged and tempered from steel, giving it a durable and robust strength you can count on. The high-velocity design concentrates more mass at the head for maximum impact, so your every strike packs a punch. Plus, the larger striking face minimizes the chance of missing your target, ensuring more accurate hits. For added convenience, the hammer features a magnetic nail starter, making it easier to set nails in place quickly and with precision. Meanwhile, the rubber overmolded handle not only increases grip stability, but also absorbs any remaining vibration, making each use as comfortable as possible. Overall, the Toughbuilt Shock Stop hammer combines durability, power, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Next up, we have the Vaughn California Framer. This is a go-to tool for professional framers and contractors. One of its standout features is the extra-large striking face, which helps deliver maximum force with each swing. It also comes with a magnetic nail holder that allows you to easily pick up nails and get them in place without fumbling. The milled face is another key element, as its textured surface grips nail heads, minimizing slippage and ensuring accuracy with every strike. Borrowing from Vaughn's legendary 999 rip hammer, the smooth, swept claws are perfect for pulling nails with ease. It means you'll get a versatile tool that excels in both driving and removing nails. Also, the hammer's extra-long hatchet-style hickory handle is carefully shaped to offer both strength and comfort, ensuring that you can work for extended periods without discomfort or fatigue. We also would like to point out that the hammer comes in 16, 19, and 23-ounce versions, offering flexibility for different preferences and tasks. Overall, it's a well-balanced and durable tool that makes framing tasks easier and more efficient. Moving on, for light-duty DIY projects, we would like to recommend the Mr. Penn Small Hammer. Made from high-density carbon steel, it's built to last, offering durability and anti-rust properties that ensure it stands up to even the toughest tasks. The hammer features an ergonomic, non-slip soft handle, which makes it incredibly comfortable to use, reducing hand fatigue during extended projects. Weighing just 8 ounces, it's the perfect size for those who need a tool that's easy to carry and maneuver, whether you're working on woodworking projects, DIY tasks, or home repairs. One standout feature is the magnetic nail starter, which makes it easy to position nails, while the built-in hammer claw lets you effortlessly remove them when needed. Ideal for both home hobbyists and professionals, this hammer offers versatility for a range of tasks. Compact and well-designed, it's a reliable choice for projects that demand precision and control. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable hammer that won't slow you down, the Mr. Penn hammer is a solid choice. The next hammer on the list is a well-balanced one, ideal for both professionals and beginners alike. We are talking about the OX Pro Claw Hammer. Built with a professional-grade forged one-piece steel construction, this hammer ensures long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. The high-quality steel used in its design guarantees that the hammer can withstand demanding tasks without compromising on strength. One of the standout features is the non-slip grip handle, which provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue with its shock-absorbing properties. This makes it a great option for those long workdays where comfort is key. The OX Pro Claw Hammer is also precision balanced, ensuring better ergonomics and more accurate strikes, helping you work more efficiently and with precision. It comes in 3 different weight options, 16, 20, and 24 ounce, so you can choose the size that best fits your needs. The OX Pro Claw Hammer performs well across a variety of tasks, from working with wood to drywall. Simply put, it's a practical addition to most toolkits for those who value consistency and durability. And if you are into heavy-duty DIY projects, we would like to suggest the Fiskars Pro IsoCore. One of its standout features is the IsoCore shock control system, which dramatically reduces strike shock and vibration. In fact, it absorbs 6 times less shock than traditional wooden handles, so your hands and arms experience much less strain during use. The dual-layer handle is another impressive aspect, combining insulating materials that work together to minimize any lingering vibrations. For added convenience, the hammer includes a magnetic nail starter groove, allowing you to start nails with one hand, perfect for working in tight spaces or when you're handling a lot of nails. The strategically textured soft grip handle enhances your hold, keeping the hammer firmly in your hand even in sweaty or slippery conditions. Plus, it helps reduce the risk of blisters. The Fiskars Pro IsoCore framing hammer is a decent choice for framing and construction. It's built to last, feels comfortable to use, and gets the job done with good performance. The Boss Hammer Pro Series titanium hammer is the ultimate tool for tackling any project, big or small. Whether you're framing a house or working on a simple home improvement task, this premium titanium hammer is built to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Its hex head design makes driving nails or fasteners a breeze, while its lightweight titanium construction ensures that you won't feel weighed down during long projects. Plus, it's stronger than traditional steel, giving you durability and precision for years to come. The hammer is fitted with an over-molded no-slip rubber grip, making it far more comfortable to use than those with wooden handles. The rubber grip absorbs shock, reducing joint strain and preventing injury so you can work longer without discomfort. The hammer also comes with degree and inch markings for measuring, adding even more convenience for builders and DIYers alike. Made with pride in the USA, the Boss Hammer Pro Series titanium hammer is crafted from premium titanium 64 grade titanium, ensuring maximum strength and longevity. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and precise tool for your next project, this hammer is an excellent choice. To wrap up, we have the Stiletto Taone titanium framing hammer. It's a must-have for anyone who needs a high-performance tool in their toolbox. Weighing 45% less than traditional steel hammers, it offers the same striking power, making it easier on your arm without sacrificing force. One standout feature is the 180-degree side nail puller, which makes removing 16D nails a breeze. The straight claw design is perfect for a range of nails, from 8D to 16D, making this hammer incredibly versatile. What's really great is the hammer's replaceable face and grip, so you can maintain its performance for years to come. The milled face provides a solid, controlled strike, making it ideal for tasks like framing, remodeling, or working on pole barns and scaffolding. This hammer is made in the USA from durable titanium, which ensures it's built to last. So that's a wrap on 10 best hammer for DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.